Hey everyone, wondering why Facebook Messenger isn't showing when someone was last active? Whether it's a technical glitch or a privacy setting, there are a few reasons for this. In this guide, I'll help you troubleshoot and fix the issue so you can see when your contacts were last online. Let's dive in. Note, before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection as poor connectivity often causes this problem. Solution 1. Turn on active status in Messenger. Open the Messenger app. Tap the menu bar at the bottom right corner. Go to Settings. Tap Active Status. Make sure Show when your active is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone's Settings app. Tap Apps. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Go back and reopen Messenger. Solution 3. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if an update is available. Updates often fix these minor issues. And that's it. The last scene not showing is usually a simple settings or sync problem. Let me know in the comments which step fixed it for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Messenger Fix videos. Thanks for watching.